Right now, my main goal is generating income online, and I am working on dropshipping projects. And this last week, I launched an ad campaign on Facebook, sending traffic to my funnel in ClickFunnels, and here are the results. Right here, you can see my analytics dashboard in ClickFunnels. You see that I got 8 orders, total product sales of about 181 bucks, total opt-ins 22, page views 332, conversion rate 2.4%. So these metrics don't seem too terrible. Problem is, we spent a bit of money on ads, and it definitely did not turn out to be profitable. So here are the numbers. Had $181 in revenue and 62 cents. And then I spent $312.59 on Facebook ads. And with all these other expenses, I'm currently about 400 bucks in the hole. So there's a little closer view of the numbers. Not looking too great, but I'm gonna keep trying. And my next steps are going to be creating more ad creatives, getting another ad campaign going, maybe adjusting how we do targeting and whatnot. And then I have some other products I want to test as well. So just giving you guys an update, and stay tuned for more.